Some say the best way to teach is by example. At Trane, in collaboration with North Shore School District, we're putting that philosophy into action by implementing a dynamic closed-loop geothermal system, the first of its kind in U.S. schools. We're harnessing the Earth's natural energy to create more comfortable learning environments while reducing costs and environmental impact. The lessons being shared, much like the system itself, run deep.
In District 112, we're very proud to have a community focus, and we're very proud to focus on inspiration, innovation, and engagement, whether it's in a third grade classroom or whether it's in a modernized school system. We know that we're building working places, working conditions that are really going to attract and retain the highest quality of educators.
When Trane came to us with this technology, it's new, kind of unknown. We knew, because of our relationship with Trane, they were bringing us something that was definitely worth taking a look at.
With the DCL technology, we're able to harness that absorption and rejection of heat through the earth by tapping into underground flowing water. So different types of sites have used this system overseas, and now we're given the opportunity to implement this in the United States, which is fantastic that the district has given us their confidence in doing this for them and being pioneers in sustainability in this area.
Trane was brought in as a strategic partner to the district to help ensure that the HVAC portion of the project remained on or under budget. The program started to roll out, and we realized that there was a significant opportunity to take on some of the tax credits. So we started to explore what that was going to involve. And what we realized is that the district had the opportunity to achieve up to a 50% tax credit through the Inflation Reduction Act. They'll be looking at right around a $3.5 million tax credit.
So when I think about the strategic change agenda, one of our major goals is to increase student learning and also focus on their well-being, but also engage community partners and build relationships. And that's what this entire project is about. Trane has offered energy solutions beyond what we ever imagined. To be one of the first school districts in Illinois to have geothermal energy, it's exactly what we'd want our students to understand and really realize that we are the leaders. This is real life science that has come to life. Our students aren't just going to be learning about, our impact on the environment. They're going to be experiencing it here.
Together, in collaboration with North Shore School District, Trane is proud of the lessons we're instilling and the possibilities we're creating, today and tomorrow. Visit Trane.com to learn more.